Welcome to the Ivory Attic's holiday special. What's the holiday we're celebrating this time around?
You know what I think it is?
What?
Carnival.
Carnival, little
Yes.
Carnival or Mardi Gras
Yeah, there
celebration.
we go.
That sounds like a great idea.
That sounds wonderful.
And we need something so we can get high in our festive spirits right before the Lenten season.
Absolutely. What city is absolutely synonymous with Mardi Gras?
Oh, New Orleans, of course.
Right. And what's the drink that's synonymous with New Orleans?
The Jazzerac.
The Jazzerac.
A favorite drink of
Yeah. Well, let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it. All right. So first we'll start.
Oh no.
Well, we're not making a Jazzerac.
That's not from New Orleans.
No. It's from Chicago. The good news is, you know what Chicago and New Orleans have in common?
Deep dish pizza.
Close. Jazz.
Both are great jazz cities.
So instead of Jazzerac, we're going to be making the Jazzerac.
Do we have to?
We absolutely do. All right, let's start out. We have 2 ounces of Malort.
That is 1 gut punch of Malort.
Let's get some simple syrup in there.
Okay. We're gonna sweeten it up a little.
We're gonna need a hefty one in there. So let's get out our demerara one again.
I can still smell it.
Yeah. Oh, you will continue to. Let's get that in there. All right. Excellent. You always need some bitters. All right. I think we're gonna need some stronger bitters. Normally, you do a mixture of in a Jazzerac. You normally do a mixture of Peychaud's and Angostura bitters.
Sure.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna do some cardamom bitters.
Cardamom?
Yeah, some Scrappy's cardamom bitters. Really get in there. Let's get it some taste. And the other one, this is going to be an elegant drink. So let's get some lavender bitters in there.
Oh. Have you tasted this?
No. Stir it up.
It's effervescent. Oh.
There, okay.
It's kind of cloudy.
Wait.
It's that final touch. A little bit of absinthe, huh?
The Jazzerac.
That's not.
Tastes like celebration.
It tastes like I need to give up alcohol for Lent. You did it again.
Thank you.